very happy 11th birthday to IDT. And it's really great that you've been able to manage these online classes for children during these testing times of the pandemic. The kids seem to be enjoying these online version of the classes as much as they enjoyed your offline classes.
I was 5 years old when I joined IDT. I wish that I dance like Rekha ma'am. I love the choreography that she make us do. And I love the choreography which Svirosa do. I wish I could be a great dancer like them. I love you, IDT.
My daughter has been learning dance at IDT for the last 6 years. She has become more confident. She has become more expressive and organized. And team IGT is very dedicated. They have worked really hard during the pandemic by reaching out to kids on digital platform. I wish IGT a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Since I've joined you, I've always waited for the classes every week. I learned so much.
I joined the institute when I was in 8th or 9th. Honestly, it's been one of the best experiences of my life.
It's a great place to learn dance and grow as a person in creative space.
And for facilitating people to pursue their dream and passion for dancing. I would also like to wish that the IDT family grows further and continues to achieve many more successes and milestones.
You've taught me so much and you teach with a lot of passion, which I really appreciate. So happy birthday, happy 11th birthday in this great milestone.
Thank you for these 8 years of teaching me dance, and these have been really, really good years as I came to IDT to learn. And I'm very grateful that I was introduced to IDT in the first place. So thank you.
The tremendous efforts and the joy that you put in when you teach these children is really amazing and very, very well done. Thank you.
I'm in Mumbai right now and I'm learning from there. I'm just super, super grateful for everything that you've given me.
You are doing extremely well. Children are very happy. Keep it up.
Thank you for teaching me new dance techniques and improving my dancing skills, and I really appreciate it.
I have a lot of fun in a dance studio.
They always work super hard to bring new ways of learning, and they create wonderful and engaging choreographies for us.
My daughter Vidhi has been associated with you for last 3 years. During this period, she learned a lot from you.
Thank you for making me a part of the team. It's an honor to be an IDTN. Once again, happy birthday and best wishes.
My kids have been associated with the academy for the last 6 years. They really look forward to coming and dancing over there, and what they mostly look forward to is the showcase. All the very best, do well, and many, many more years of celebration. Congratulations.
I've been a student of the India Dance Theatre since 2018, and I have learnt a lot. I have grown a lot over the years.
I've learned so much from you.
Thank you for having my back for the past 8 years.
IDT has given me a life identity as a person who I am, where I stand and where I can go further and where I want to see myself further. It has given me a vast vision towards dance and art movements.
I am one of the oldest and the most regular student of the IGT. The dance protocols prepared by them are very scientifically oriented. I feel so relaxed after the class.
My daughter Anya Mandal has been with you for the last 8 years. She has really enjoyed attending her classes there, and I have thoroughly enjoyed watching all your shows. So I wish you the very best.
Happy birthday, IDT group!
Hello IDT, wish you a very happy birthday.
Indian Dance Theatre, I love you!
Happy 11th
anniversary, IDT.
Thank you, India Dance Theatre, and happy birthday!
Thank you. Wish all the very best to India Dance Theatre on completing 11 years.
IDT is like a family. It's so good to see you grow. Thank you, Rekha ma'am and Firoz sir, for taking my hand and making me better at dance. I've learned a lot from you all, and I hope to learn more and more in the future.
Thank you for everything.
Once again, happy birthday. 11 years is a milestone and I hope you continue to experience much, much more.